back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be replacing the headlight in the mk6 Ford Fiesta. Now it's a pretty simple job really. It's only holding in by 3 screws. You don't have to remove the bumper or anything like that. The only thing you have to remove is the grille, what goes along here. And the reason we're replacing them for, because the pegs on ours had actually snapped off there, and just for a replace straight, actually £10 in better off just replacing it. I know you can buy on some cars these to repair them, but for 10 quid it's not, just, you know, you're better off just replacing it. And all you have to do is let me just set you up, is if you get your headlight, if you put your wire in first, which is located just here, which goes into that connection there. It only goes in one way, so you ain't got to worry about getting it the wrong way. So just put that in first, just make sure it's clipped in. And the way I do it is I put that top part in first, and then once to come to this part here, I'll actually just move the bumper forward a little bit like that. Let me just get it over the peg like that, and then I'll push it forward, and then as you can see, you'll have one screw what goes there, you'll have one what goes there, and one what goes there. So let me just tighten them up, bear with me. And that's what the screws look like for the headlight. However, you can see there, I'm just using a flathead, but you can use a T as well. So let's get this screwed in first. Again, I do recommend putting them in by hand first. Okay, just tighten these down. That's it. And your next one is located just here behind there. And again, just starting by hand. And I'll just come to the side, pull the bumper out a little bit. I'll just screw it in from the side, as you can see me doing. There you go, that's it. I'll just push that back in like that. Just bear with me 2 secs. Put the bugger in. Right, and now we're just going to go and put the lights on, just to see if it works. Checking the side light first. So side lights are on. And there you go. And that's all there is to replacing your headlight in a Mark 6 Ford Fiesta. This is a 2000 and probably it's a 57 plate, but it, like I says, it's the same on the Mark 6s. So there you go. If it's helped you out at all, please consider giving it a thumbs up, liking and subscribing for future videos. I'm actually going to leave it there now and stop waffling on, and until next time, I'll catch you in another one.